Hi, so I created a custom agent to answer HR questions in Slack. So you can see I made Ask HR Slack channel. So what I can do is, hi, may I know what's the benefits for employee? So it roughly take around 20 to 30 seconds. And then you can see we have the reply. Let's click into it. As you can see, this reply is from our AI agent, Ask HR. So, hey, full-time employees receive this kind of benefits. And if you would like to know more, you can click on the HR guideline, which shows us the essence of this whole AI agent. As it's powered by a Notion page. You can see these are Ojan's plain text. As you add more text, the AI agent will be more intelligent and be able to help more. But you might ask, what if the custom agent don't have the answer? So let's test it out by replying again. But I'm a contract staff. So we want to see the benefits for contract staff. Here you can see how the backend is working. So I asked the question that but I'm a contract staff. So now the AI is taking its time to kind of go through the loop and try to formulate a reply for me. And then here you can see it. I apologize for the confusion. I searched the information, but I don't have it. So automatically tag the HR person to help with the support. In this case, I put Thomas Young there. And not even that, you can actually do triage as well. And you might have HR on training and development. You can actually write down their roles and they automatically assign for you. So it's all amazing and stuff. How can you build this? So just to note, custom agent is currently still in alpha. All the things you're seeing here are subject to changes. But regardless, I'm excited to show you how it can build, even without any coding knowledge. So first step, you need a Notion page. So you can see this is a HR guideline. You can just put in all the information here. So you can add in, you can type it manually, you can use AI to draft it and you edit it. After that, you can go to your home page. There's the agents button here. So I click new agent. So Notion is going to ask you what AI agent you want to create. So they already have some templates here. So I'm going to use their new hire buddy template. So once it's created, I'm going to just rename this to Ask HR. And then you can kind of customize the logos and you can even upload your own picture. After that, you can see there's a trigger here. We want to specify what would trigger this custom agent. So I'm going to click Add Trigger. So I'm going to select Slack. You can see it also supports Notion, Calendar, Mail, and Slack in this case. So I'm going to select Message Posted to Slack channel. So you want it to automatically reply. And it's going to ask you to connect to the channel, to connect to Slack. And I'm going to select the correct workspace, click Allow, and then open Notion. So now I can select Ask HR and then include messages in threads. So it depends whether you want to reply in thread itself and click Done. Now the fun part. You actually don't need to do any coding. You can see there's already instructions here on guideline written for you. So we're going to just use this template, but I'm going to add one more thing. Just type to the bottom here. If you cannot answer the question, please inform Thomas. If you can, then don't need to tag him. And then we scroll down to the bottom. You can see you ask you whether you want to read the Notion pages. So the permission works the same with Notion. So I don't want it to read everything. I just want it to read the specific HR guideline. And then the Slacks, I don't want to read all the public channels as well. I'm going to put none. I'm going to select Ask HR, which is suggested already, and read and reply. And that's it. Just click Save, Save Agent, and then we can actually now start testing it. So we're back to the same channel. Hi, may I know how many paid leaves do I have a year? And here's our reply. Hi, annual leave entitlement varies based on your tenure, so you gave the information. And then it links you back to the HR guideline. And yeah, that's it. I'm super excited with what Notion can bring to us for the year 2026, especially with this custom agent and all the data you already put inside Notion itself. So let me know what other use cases you'd like to see. Like and subscribe for more.